In this video, we will use GNOME boxes, so it automatically downloads and installs any operating system using QEMU virtualization. Our host is Arch Linux, and we see that boxes is the latest version in the extra repository. We install it and review its dependencies. Boxes runs on any desktop environment. In my case, I am using KDE Plasma. We press the plus button, see the catalog, and select Ubuntu. The Ubuntu release we selected was 25.10, which weighs more than 5 gigabytes. Ubuntu is the most well-known Linux distribution, although in recent releases its performance has declined, as you can see in the top card. We configure the virtual machine. I selected UEFI, assigned 16 gigabytes of RAM, and left 25 gigabytes of disk space. We wait for the Ubuntu Live ISO to boot. The distribution has flavors, and one of the most notable for performance is Lubuntu. We select the language, keyboard layout, allow it to use the wired connection, and leave the remaining options as default. Then we choose to erase the disk and install Ubuntu. We enter the name, host name, user, password, and its confirmation and location. We wait for the installation to finish. It is worth noting that we are not using the LTS version. This is supported until July 2026. Ubuntu was founded in 2004, with South African and British origins. It is a secure and modern system. We reboot, and in boxes we click to start the system for the first time. We inspect the desktop, panel, and application menu. Now, for a performance test, we will install Sysbench on Ubuntu. On Arch Linux, I already have version 1.0.20 to 2 installed. We check the Ubuntu version, and as expected it includes version 1.0.20. Arch Linux always up to date. We run Sysbench CPU on the Arch Linux host and get 2919 events per second. Then we run Sysbench on the Ubuntu guest. The result was 2703, very similar performance. Now we run the CPU test again, but with 10 threads. Arch Linux scored 21,601. We perform the same test on Ubuntu and get 21,301 events per second. That's it for this video. If you liked it, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and enable notifications. See you in the next video.